So I'm incredibly bad at doing this, but it's a hell of a lot of fun. So my friends, in this video we're looking at this, which is a quadcopter. Now this is just designed to be a little bit of fun. It retails for just $14.99 in the UK, $19.99 in the US. I'll leave the links in the description. And guys, I want you to get one of these and try and master it. If not for yourself, get it as a little stocking filler, a little present for somebody, because it is really a lot of fun. It weighs almost nothing, so it can really do no damage at all. But getting it out the box and setting it up is an absolute breeze, and then the trying to master this thing really comes into its own. So in the box you get the controller, the quadcopter itself, a USB charger, and also a comprehensive set of instructions which are very simple to follow. Now on the actual quadcopter you can see you've got this little charging point here, and all you do is plug that into the USB charging point, and then you can charge it to any USB point, whether that be a mains charger or even a juice pack. Also included within the package are a spare set of propeller blades. Now the propeller blades on the actual quadcopter are protected with those round protecting guards, and so therefore hopefully you won't break one, but it's nice to see that you are getting some spare ones as well. Now on the controller you just have to pop in 2 AAA batteries and then you're ready to go. Setting up is a breeze. You literally turn it on, push it forward and push it back again, and then it's connected. And now guys, this is where the fun starts, where I'm trying to master it. Be patient with this video because I do sort of like get it in the end. I'm lying, I never did, but just have a look at this. So what I'm not showing you in this video, guys, is later on in the day I actually gave it to my younger nephew, and he absolutely mastered it and was doing all of the flips and the things which I just could not do. So it is possible, but I was restricted because I was indoors, because at the time of filming it was raining pretty bad. So folks, if you want to give a gift this Christmas or any time which is just a little bit of fun, it costs under $20, under £15. This is an absolute bargain, and you can do a lot with it, and you can have a little bit of fun as well. So I definitely recommend it. The links are in the description. Thanks for watching this video as always, my friends, and I will see you on the next one.